I know you've been wondering, how can I start dropshipping without capital? Or maybe you've been saving up some money for quite some time now, and then you feel like you're overwhelmed and frustrated because the money is not adding up and you really want to start your online business. That's why I'm giving you this step-by-step beginner-friendly tutorial that will help you navigate and set up your online store today at only $1. So if you're there and you want to start your online store on Shopify, but you don't know where to start, how to set up, and how to create your own store on Shopify, by the end of this video, you'll have known how to set up and how to add products and look for the winning products in your shop. With the cost of living and inflation going high, you're probably out here looking for a side hustle to supplement on your main income. Or maybe you're already considering to go all in and start an online business and become your own boss. That's why today I'll be dissecting a beginner-friendly step-by-step tutorial on how to start a Shopify dropshipping business with only $1. By the end of this video, you'll have known how to start your online dropshipping business and what you need to get started with only $1 in your pocket. In this video, I'll also show you how you can look for product suppliers and also help you link and integrate product suppliers to your store so that you don't get other problems when you're linking and adding products onto your store. If you've reached this part of the video and you haven't subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up as we go ahead and cover how you can get started with dropshipping so that you don't miss any other new videos that will be coming up. There is a ton of information online on how to start a dropshipping business, but in this video I'll be giving you a detailed step-by-step and beginner-friendly tutorial on how to start your online dropshipping business. Without wasting any time, let's dive in and I show you how you can create your Shopify store so that you can start a profitable online dropshipping business with only $1. Shopify is by far the most reliable and most beginner-friendly e-commerce platform right now on the market. So I recommend if you're starting an online dropshipping business, you should start with Shopify since it's the best and the most reliable e-commerce platform on the market right now. We shall go ahead and start the sign-up process of our Shopify store. First, we have to enter the email address and then select start free trial. Because of time, we shall skip this part and complete it later, or you can leave it out if you want to because this is not so important. So now we shall come to create our Shopify ID. You can select any that you want. Here you will need your email address and then you will have to create a password for you to create your Shopify ID, and make sure that you use a password that you will always remember, or maybe write it somewhere that you can always refer to whenever you forget your password. And just like that, you will have created your Shopify ID and your Shopify store will be registered. So guys, stay around as we go to the next step, and that is setting up the store, naming it, and later finding suppliers and adding our first product to the store. Since the store is already created, we shall come here and verify our email. Link will be sent to your email. So once you open the link in your email in the store will be verified by Shopify, and you will then be guaranteed access to other features like naming the store and adding products. So make sure that you first verify your email before you go any further. Next, we shall come to name our store. I'll name mine Jackson Store. Just use something simple, you don't have to complicate everything. Now that our store is named, that's the name that displays when someone visits your store. So make sure that you get something simple to name on your store. You don't have, like I said, you don't have to complicate everything, because this is just a store. At least get something that will be catchy and will be easily pronounced by customers, so you don't have to get something weird, long, or complicated. Next, we shall come to find products to sell. This will then bring us to the product sourcing app. In this one, we shall select DSRs. We shall use DSRs to link our store to the suppliers. Once you tap on the DSRs app, we shall be directed to add the app. So go ahead and add the app, and then next we shall need to install the app. Go ahead and install the app so that it's linked to our store. We shall be asked to create our DSRs account. It should take you less than a minute to complete the sign up of your DSRs account. And like I said, DSRs will be the one linking our store to the suppliers. So also make sure that you use a password that you will not forget, because without this you won't be able to link products to your store. The next step will be selecting our plan for the DSRs app. Since we are on $1 budget, we shall go ahead and select the basic free plan for DSRs. Now, after selecting the DSRs plan for free, we shall be linked to AliExpress. After linking AliExpress to our Shopify, we shall go ahead and see this page that they bring to you. And from this page, you will be able to find suppliers and sellers from where we shall be outsourcing and dropshipping our products from. So we shall go to the option of find suppliers. Then they will start showing us some of the products that are already on the market. But for the test product, we shall use solar power bank, because since we are in summer, people go to festivals and camps, and I believe that whenever you go there, your battery is always to charge. And if you have a solar power bank, you can always recharge wherever you are, whether you're camping or at a festival. So we shall click on the product, which is the solar power bank, and then they will bring us to the next page where we shall be able to tap on the product again for us to import the product to DSRs. And after that, we shall be able to to come to the next page that allows us to make any needed edits that you want before you can push the product to our Shopify store. And like I said, on this page you can do any edits that you want before you can push the product to the Shopify store. We shall then select push to Shopify and our product will be added to the store. So after clicking push to Shopify, our product was later added to our Shopify store. So guys, that's how you add your first product to your Shopify store. And as you saw from the beginning, all you needed was create your Shopify store, link it to DSRs, and then use DSRs to link AliExpress to your Shopify store. Now that you've created your store, you are 50 steps ahead from where you were at the beginning of this video, because your store is finally open.